Hi, I'm Tom Walsh. I'm here to talk to you about the Bill Adam routine, the very first part, which is the lead pipe buzzing. This is the first thing I play when I touch the trumpet, and it's all the principles behind this feed into the other parts, the latter parts of the method. And it's all designed to keep the air feeling open and as resonant as possible. You're trying to create the best possible sound. I know it's only through a lead pipe, but there is actually a way of thinking about it in great depth. So the literature, if you've ever seen the PDFs of the Bill Adam method, isn't very prescriptive about this. It usually says that you're trying to play around an E or an F in the stave, but through a bit more thought and our practice sessions, we've been able to deduce that what we're looking for here is the most resonant part of the note. So it might vary in pitch from day to day, but you're looking for the most resonant part of the pitch through the lead pipe. I'll demonstrate once just complacently blowing through without much thought. It will still feel open and feel good on your chops, but then I'll demonstrate the difference. So first of all, I'll just do a normal lead pipe buzz. It's a comfortable MF. It feels open, feels nice, but if you spend a bit of time adjusting the pitch, you can really find the core sound of the lead pipe for seemingly no more effort, but you're getting a much bigger sound with much more overtones. And everything felt a lot more resonant there. I found the pitch and I stuck to it, blew through that pitch. Everything feels open, and what we're then trying to do is when we move on to the other parts of the method, we're trying to simulate that feeling. You would actually repeat that for about a dozen times, breathe for as long as is comfortable, and everything should feel nice and open. And then when you move on to other parts, or long note practice for instance, you're then trying to create the most resonant sound, trying to recreate that feeling of the core sound in that register. So that's the next part of the exercise, but the lead pipe buzzing is designed to just keep everything feeling open and you're getting the best possible sound at all times. So hopefully that's a little bit more insight into just the PDFs and the literature behind it. Cheers.